October 12, 2025. Gulf of Aden, a U.S. Navy vessel, is the target. 28 speedboats approach carrying over 240 Somali pirates. The pirates are armed with RPGs, AK-47 seconds, and heavy machine guns. This is no ordinary piracy. A global arms deal is at stake. The pirates made a fatal mistake. The U.S. Navy retaliates. Each Chinook carries 60 Navy SEALs armed and ready. Apache helicopters hover overhead armed with Hellfire missiles. An MQ-9 Reaper streams coordinates back to the fleet. Will the pirates get their loot or face American wrath? Join me as I find out what happens next in the Gulf of Aden. 0310 hours. October 12, 2025, 50 nautical miles off Rosa. The sea was eerily calm, concealing the impending conflict. The USNS Providence moves silently through the Gulf of Aden. It carries artillery shells, javelin missiles, and ammunition. A cargo worth $280 million, enough for a week of combat. The radar screen flickers, detecting approaching speedboats. At first, it's thought to be interference, but the picture becomes clear. 28 speedboats traveling at 38 knots, closing in rapidly. More than 240 armed men forming a swarm around the ship. The enemy flag is identified: the Khalid Front, a pirate organization. Led by a former warlord turned arms dealer, Abdul Rahman Kadir Youssef. His fleet is not looking for ransom. They want the cargo. Intelligence reveals his partnership with the Black Tide cartel. A violent drug. Initial contact. Possible interference detected. Analyze signal. Threat assessment: 28 speedboats approaching rapidly. Force composition: 240 plus armed hostiles inbound. Objective: cargo seizure. Intel alliance with Black Tide cartel. Financial threat: laundering over $50 million annually. Critical threat: ammunition depot vulnerable. Immediate action required. Potential outcome: 20,000 pounds TNT equivalent explosion. Alert status: sirens active. Red lights on bridge. Prepare for engagement. Orders all personnel to battle stations. Prepare defensive measures. Situation critical: calm waters transformed into battlefield. Engagement: 2 warships against hundreds of attackers. Odds unfavorable. Brace for impact. First shots imminent. Stand your ground. Will the U.S. fleet hold, or will the waves swallow them whole? 0325 hours. Ocean transformed into chaos. Prepare for onslaught. Pirate flotilla breaks formation, lunging forward. Engage targets. 28 fast boats, 40 knots, engine howling. Target boats. Each vessel armed with RPG-7S, PKMs, DSHK cannons. Return fire. Tracer rounds slashing through the night. Maintain defensive posture. Multiple contacts inbound 1,200 yards and closing fast. Prepare countermeasures. Searchlights activated. Illuminate the enemy. Identify targets. RPG impact. Stern hit. Damage assessment required. Report status. Bulkhead breached. 4-foot crater near cargo bay. Damage control teams deploy. Alarm sound. Fire near ammunition magazine. Contain the blaze. Potential firestorm: 3,000 pounds of TNT. Prevent detonation. Pirates pressing advantage. AK Suvalfurus RPG Suvs DSHKs inbound. Repel attack. RPG impact: stern breached. Initiate damage assessment protocols. Bulkhead breached. Cargo bay compromised. Seal off ammunition magazine. Magazine integrity critical. Failure is not an option. Report. Pirate assault intensifies. Coordinate defensive fire. Neutralize threats. Incoming fire: brace for impact. Return fire with extreme prejudice. USS Meridian engaging. 20mm phalanx active. Target acquisition locked. Skiffs vaporized. Deck gunners eliminate remaining threats. Report. Fireballs on the water. Casualties confirmed. Maintain perimeter. Perimeter breached. Rockets incoming. Intercept and destroy. RPG impact. Oft railing hit. Javelin launcher compromised. Casualties. Fire crews extinguish the blaze. Ammunition hold at risk. Go, go, go. Fire extinguished. Ammunition hold secure. Report casualties. Dawn breaks. Pirate boats obliterated. Assess remaining threats. Pirate casualties high, but assault continues. Drone feed incoming. New contacts detected. Speedboats converging. Second wave imminent. Encrypted channels confirmed. Meticulously planned assault detected. American weapons are the target. This is no desperate raid. Crush the pirates' empire or become the hunted. Prepare for engagement. 0510 hours. Smoke lingers. Pirate corpses drift. Reassess. Wreckage litters the sea. Fuel spills. Environmental impact assessment. USNS Providence damaged but afloat. Report on sailor status. 11 sailors injured, 2 critical. A miracle measured in seconds. Ammunition intact. Control room prepare for second wave. From the control room, prepare for the next engagement. Ammunition intact, ready to engage the second wave of pirates. Prepare for impact. Second wave incoming. Engage. This was no raid but a planned assault to seize weapons. Will the Navy crush the pirates or become the hunted? 5:10 a.m. Smoke drifted across the Gulf of Aden. Over 70 pirate corpses floated amid the wreckage. The USNS Providence was damaged but still afloat. 11 sailors injured, 2 critical. Ammo intact, a miracle. Analysts piecing together the digital trail. Signals pointed inland to warehouses near Barawi Peninsula. 5:47 a.m. Satellite imagery confirmed a network. 12 fortified structures contained weapons and ammunition. 15 tons of arms, 180 RPGs, 2 million rounds of ammo. 4,000 gallons of fuel reserves, enough for months. $28 million transferred through shell companies. Pirates were couriers in a global arms trade. Trading guns for cocaine, a dangerous exchange. Captain Brenner gave a single command: go to the source. The next phase, Somali soil deep under the sand. U.S. Special Forces take the fight onto Somali soil. At 8 a.m., the order came through: execute Dawn Cleaver. Chinook helicopters lifted into the rising heat. Each carried 60 Navy SEALs armed with M4A1S. Apache gunships circled with cannons and Hellfire missiles. Target fortified compound outside Barawi. 15 tons of weapons and millions in cartel cash hidden. At 8:17 a.m., the first Apache fired. Hellfire missiles struck a fuel depot. Chinook helicopters ascend from USS Meridian blades, slicing morning haze. Each Chinook carries 60 U.S. Navy SEALs armed and ready for deployment. 2 Apache gunships circle above Hellfire missiles locked and ready. Target fortified coastal compound Barawi. Intel confirms weapons cache. 8:17 a.m. Apache fires. Hellfire missile hits fuel depot. 4,000 gallons of diesel detonate, shaking the peninsula. Blast levels perimeter wall, sets off chain reaction in ammo cache. Flames reach 200 feet. SEAL teams fast rope into chaos below. Resistance is immediate. 150 militants open fire with RPGs, AKs. Tracers stitch across sand as SAS advances through smoke dust. Squad breaches warehouse, finds Iranian mortars, Russian belts. Documents stamped with Black Tide cartel insignia uncovered. Team storm comms room, recovers encrypted laptops. Laptops tied to Yemen brokers, South American narcotics shipments. 8:42 a.m. Apache engages Western Ridge convoy fleeing with Warlord. Warlord's vehicle struck, flipping in plume of fire. Warlord's reign ends in the dust of the Somali coast. Fighting raged for 40 minutes. 91 militants killed, 46 captured. 12 warehouses destroyed. SEALs uncover $32 million in cash. 500 kilo cocaine shipping manifests linking arms dealers recovered. 6 hostages, including 2 American engineers, freed. Last Chinook lifts off. Smoke curls over the shattered compound. Mission succeeded. Supply chain feeding terror cut open, burned. Every man knew this was only the first battle in a greater war. Gulf of Aden quiet again. Silence follows devastation. Barawi compound burned for 6 hours. Numbers came in. Supply chain neutralized. But this is not final victory. October 12, 2025. Gulf of Aden silence after devastation. Barawi compound burned for 6 hours. Smoke visible 30 miles. SEAL teams regroup at Camp Lemon. Final numbers incoming. Transnational operation, 3 continents, 7 shell companies, $50 million in illicit arms. Battle damage reports incoming. 200 RPGs, 2 million rounds of ammo destroyed. 12 heavy trucks retrofitted for combat destroyed. Explosions erased. 12 warehouses, collapsed tunnels. $32 million in cash reserves wiped out. Ledgers detailing shipments to Yemen, Sudan, Venezuela. Cartel traffickers traded cocaine for rifles. USNS Providence operational testament to crew discipline. Engineers patched hull breaches, secured artillery shells. 320 javelins transferred. Not a single round was lost. Potential catastrophe avoided by human precision. Encrypted data routed through Tehran and Aden. Iranian intermediaries brokered weapon exchanges. Pirates' instruments in a deeper shadow war. Terror narcotics, proxy funding, toxic current. Attack a U.S. vessel response will come for you. Ports tighten security, maritime shipment audits. Global markets trembled, arms for drugs network exposed. Pirates' empire gone, financiers remain in shadows. War for the oceans has just begun. The response will find you. Ports tighten security measures globally. Pirate financiers remain. Intelligence traces encrypted transactions. Barawi was one node. The war for the oceans has just begun. Dusk settles over the Gulf. Fires from Barawi flicker out. Ambush exposes a network moving weapons and blood money. The sea now carries the proof of their destruction. Sailors stare at the coastline. Victory came with reflection. They faced death at sea. Precision and discipline held the line. Providence remains afloat, a witness to human resolve. News spread. $50 million in illegal transfers uncovered. 15 tons of weapons linked to cartels. The Gulf a war zone. The age of piracy has evolved. Mercenaries funded by syndicates. The ocean has become the new battlefield. Front lines everywhere. The sea is no longer a border. It's a mirror of unseen wars. Another storm is already forming beyond the horizon.